Prime Minister Narendra Modi was greeted by the Sri Lankan president as soon as he touched down, marking a promising start to his Indian Ocean outreach. In a landmark trip by an Indian Prime Minister to the island nation, Prime Minister Modi looks to revitalize bilateral ties with Sri Lanka. In his two-day trip, Modi will hold top-level meetings with senior government officials to strengthen the economic and defense relations. The Prime Minister's itinerary is marked with symbolic milestones, including the first-ever trip to the erstwhile LTTE stronghold Jaffna. On the Prime Minister's Colombo agenda is a strong pitch to offset the influence of Beijing in the Indian Ocean and reassert India's dominance. Prime Minister Modi will also push for more autonomy for the minority Tamil population with a power-packed schedule. The PM's visit to Sri Lanka could mean the opening of a fresh diplomatic chapter. As Modi intensifies his ocean outreach, Headlines Today's round-the-clock coverage will keep you updated on all the latest developments from Sri Lanka. Headlines Today's correspondent Maushmi Singh brings you reports from Ground Zero.
Prime Minister comes from Banaras, he's been elected from there, and there's a Buddh circuit that he's talking about and enhancing. So Sri Lankans would be also looking forward to it.
Of course, I think because the India, because of the neighbor of us, right? We have to understand each other very well. I think this visit will be very significant, and it will be a good moment for the both countries.
Good moment, a lot of goodwill, a lot of cheer with the Prime Minister's visit. The Prime Minister is coming, he'll be addressing the Parliament, and he's especially known to be popular amongst the youth, the Indian Prime Minister. You have some words for him?
We're blessed to have him in Sri Lanka, and especially your land of paradise that is. And also, we're a common country to India, so we're really happy to have him here, especially for the young people as well here in Sri Lanka.
Yes, we are looking forward to development, and I think we are pleased to see that Indian Prime Minister will be here in, I think, about 20 years' time. I think Indian Prime Minister will be here in 20 years. So we are pleased to have him here. When we hope that the two countries will get together and combine well.
Live to Colombo, where we are joined in by Headlines Today's Maushmi Singh. A very good morning, Maushmi. Take us through what really is on the schedule at this moment, because this seems to be a very, very crucial, very significant visit, not just for the Sri Lankans, because this is the first visit by a head of state from India in 27 years, but from India's perspective as well.
That's right, Sanket. Actually, India is planning to deal with its own backyard. The way the Indian Ocean's strategic importance has grown, the way that China has planned a silk route across the Indian Ocean has increasingly made it very important, very significant for India to develop closer ties with its old partners, from Mauritius to Seychelles to Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka being strategically very important for India, it is just a matter of 16 kilometers of distance from coast to coast, from the Indian coast to the Sri Lankan coast. But it has taken 28 years for an Indian Prime Minister to come down here and actually ask Sri Lanka what they need to help it out, battle the years of civil war. Sri Lanka is just emerging from that bloodbath, and clearly, Sanket, there are huge demands in terms of infrastructure, in terms of development that this country actually needs. But if you look at the previous years, Sri Lanka has been cozying up to China clearly, and that is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has decided to stay 2 days in Sri Lanka. One day he will actually be stopping over. The entire day he will be dedicating to Colombo, where he is meeting important political leaders. He is actually attending shortly from now a welcome ceremony by the president. In the afternoon he'll catch up with lunch, catch up for lunch with the Prime Minister, and in the evening again a dinner. And in between there are back-to-back meetings. There are delegation level talks. There are talks with the Ceylon Chamber of Commerce. Now that is a big area that India is thinking of tapping, because the Prime Minister's Make in India campaign has to make a headway here also. And in the Indian community in Sri Lanka is very, very strong. So the Ceylon Chamber of Commerce, that address would be interesting. He would also be making a cultural visit to the Mahabodhi Society. He is always associated with Buddhism. He has said that India has been inspired by Buddhism and he has been inspired by Buddhism. So clearly there is an emotional connect between the two countries. And Narendra Modi, I must tell you, Sanket, is very popular here, because I've been going around talking on the streets, and people are saying that he's a man of great resolve and he can actually clear Sri Lanka's problems. So that connect, that expectation is there from India, and the 2-day visit is very important for India. And also the entire visit, if you look at Seychelles and Mauritius, and then in the end Sri Lanka. Actually, the Prime Minister is looking at the ocean economies to tap the blue economy, greater cooperation as far as development, strategic affairs is concerned, and also to make this larger home, the Indian Ocean, a big family.
Absolutely, Moushami. And as the day progresses, there'll be a lot to expect from you as you get all the latest from Colombo, from the various engagements of the Prime Minister. We'll keep coming back to you as and when there are more developments. So that's a very significant trip by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the island nation of Sri Lanka.